come from right there, and that traffic is full today, man. You see the ambience of the tractors and stuff like that. But anyway, man, about to head to the library. I got some stuff I gotta go pick up, and I gotta do some stuff for my channel. So y'all stay tuned, because when I tell you things about to be popping for the channel, it's gonna be popping for the channel, man. And comment below what else y'all want to see me do on the channel. I know I've talked about it before, like shopping videos or going to dealerships showing cars and stuff like that. And just let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. Just comment below. Be sure to follow me, Supercar Guy on Instagram, Supercar Guy on Snapchat. Just be sure to follow me on all those social media platforms, man. That's where you're gonna get it before the YouTube get it. And I'm just ripping and running. That's about it. But yeah, we got a new collectible car coming soon to the channel, so stay tuned for that stuff. We got a Hellcat. I'm still get my brother a Hellcat. We talked about it. We got to talk about it again, so I know which one he want me to get him. So you got to stay tuned for that. And the way you can be in the loop to know about what's going on like that, just follow me on Instagram at Supercar Guy. Snapchat at Supercar Guy. My bad. But anyway, man, about to head to this library and see what's going on up here. You know, this is what Supercar Guy doing here, as y'all do know. We're in the night all the time. Got big police, man. Shout out to them, man. Shout out to them. They do their job. Anyway, man, but other than that, we about to head to the library. I gotta get some legendary stuff in for the channel. So you gotta stay tuned, turn on post notifications, and like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that bell. So when you'll be notified whenever I drop one of these fresh videos, man. We about to head out to the library. And that's about it, man. Got a nice Buick truck right there. I like that color a little bit. No, it wasn't an issue either. We got some dude making noise right there. Anyway, man, always look both ways before you cross, man. That's what Supercar Guy wants y'all to do. Always look both ways before you cross. Do it again and do it again. Yeah, they in that type making noise right now. They working hard, man. They grinding. That's all you gotta do. You want to get somewhere in life, stick to your script, man, and work hard and fulfill your dreams and stuff, man. Stay positive, never give up. Even when things are not working out, you still do your best, man. Shout out to Omi and the Hellcat for what he's going through, man. I feel you. Man, we make mistakes, and sometimes we got to fess up to what we've done. But you know, that's how life goes, man. Never give up, never stop believing, keep pushing, and you never give up. Failure is not an option. And I'm saying this because this is shouting out on me. So never give out on me, man, because I feel your pain, bro. We all go through stuff, man. It's how you intend to deal with it. You just gotta keep believing, keep trusting the process. And I gotta get over, because I gotta get on this sidewalk so I can walk across to the library. But that's all I wanted to say, man. But shout out Goon Squat Self-Care, because she teach health and wellness. So be sure to go subscribe right there. That's about it, man. That's it for this video, man. Supercar Guy, I'm out. About to cross to go to the library, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. And, stay tuned for videos that come out through the channel. Like, I'm probably going to the football game tomorrow. I don't know yet, but like I said, if you ever want to know what I'm doing, just be sure to follow me on Snapchat at Supercar Guy, Instagram Supercar Guy. And guess what? Supercar Guy. Catch y'all in the next outro.